Here's how I'm going to easily read 7 books in 6 weeks, and I already did the math for you. And honestly, you don't even need speed reading to do it, although it helps and makes it more efficient, right? And if you're a very slow reader, honestly, you should learn some simple tips. You shouldn't block yourself, because otherwise you're just shooting yourself in the foot. So I already did the math. These 7 books. Wow. All right, well, that marker just died. Well, these 7 books in 6 weeks, I did the math. It's around 2,138 pages divided by 42, 6 weeks. That's about around 50 pages a day. So if you can knock out a page every minute, 50 minutes, you finish a book a week. Big books too. These aren't small books. This is like the book Influence is one of them by Robert B. Cialdini, a human psychology book, one of the best ones. And what I did as well is I grabbed my books and I put Post-its into every individual little part, okay? And in my previous book, so I break down the previous video, I break down the CEO reading method, and that's what I'm using to read a book a week, which is 1, clarity. Why are you reading these books? Why are you excited? How do we tie it down? Can you at least write down a commitment to yourself that you write these? Because when you write things down, I believe it's Harvard or Stanford that shows data that you're more likely to hit your goals if you write it down. And then connect them to desires. Can you say this book, I will be more enabled to make more money or start another business or improve my relationship? What is that actual result or action you will take after? Something that physically manifests in the world, right? So important. Otherwise, you're just reading for no reason. What's the point? It's not going to be exciting. Step 2 is performance. Can you train yourself? That's what this playlist is about. Go in and go to the performance sections. Train yourself, step 2, to get to 50 pages in 50 minutes. If not, you have a problem. Huge problem. That's not even really fast reading, because 1 minute to read around 200 to 300 words. 200 to 300 words. That's 300 words per minute. That's 200 words per minute. Very slow. That is actually pretty slow. So you can do faster than that, okay? Now, step 3 is just accountability. Do you have a community of other people that you read with? Are you taking action on what you read? And that's step 3, to really solidify it, because again, we have a normal brain. More times, like when to read. I like to read in the morning. First thing, sharpens me, and also because I read that information, I have it in my short term, and I could talk to people about it. But hey, let me just tell you what I read real quick. Pretty fun. People love hearing about what you read, and it helps you improve it. That's called parroting. Okay, so when to read, why to read, you understand it. What to read, books, you understand it. How to choose, never choose boring books again, is a very important topic that we already discussed. But yeah, really, that's it. That's how I'm going to read 7 books in 6 weeks. Set the time, train myself, improve, and you hit it. But you need a system. You need a system, and it is hard to do it alone if it's something you've never done, all right?